welcome back to another vlogmas episode. Today is day 9. Today's vlogmas day 9 and we are getting ready to head out. We're going to the puppetry museum. I'm not taking my camera, but I will have little footages, in there so you guys can see. But yeah, I just wanted to start off the vlog because I think from the previous clip I was making them breakfast. So yeah, little miss is over there.
Waiting for the time to pass you by. Hope the winds of change will change your mind. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you've got to make it on your own, but we don't have to grow up, we can stay forever young. Living on my sofa, drinking rum and cola underneath the rising sun. I could give 1,000 reasons why, but you're going, and you know that all you have to do is stay a minute, just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait.
You see that nose? It's a red bingo chip that you can see through. And also I've cut out a spot with some red acetate taped behind it. And so it shows through, the light glows through. So it's pretty fun.
All you have to do is stay a minute, just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay. Hey, hey. All you have to do is stay.
We are back. We got back to school. How was it? It was really good. We made a puppet. I'll show you guys the puppet we made, but I just wanted to check in. I checked her out early because it doesn't make any sense for me to leave her there. She didn't even bring her book bag because we weren't gonna be there for most of the day anyway. So I just checked her out. I am thirsty at the moment. Want to go grab some Starbucks? Yes. Like you're gonna say no. Like you're gonna say no. Thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna grab some Starbucks.
I didn't know that I could want you so deep until I saw you with someone who's not me. You got me playing in a game that ain't fair. But you're taking me there, yeah, you're taking me there. I can't help myself, it's human nature, human nature. Who's to say what's meant to be? Why can't we be on our worst behavior, worst behavior? When it comes on naturally.
I'm jumping away to finish looking for my items.
I'm here to pick up something for hubby. Something I think that he would like. I need to find where. I think it says F38. Alright, I'll be back, y'all. Hold on. We've been back home for a minute. Catching up with Zane because I wasn't with him all day. Yeah, having something to eat and whatnot, and just here finishing up some edits for tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, I'm just here. But one thing I have not been consistent on is giving y'all updates on our elf. You know, we have a elf, right? Yeah, we got an elf. Zane, come here, Papa. Do you want to see what Elfie's doing? No? You don't want to see what Elfie's doing? You want to see what Elfie's doing? You on the phone? He's on the phone, y'all. Hold on. Who are you talking to? You on the phone? You on the phone? Who are you talking to? Yeah? Come, we need to go see what Elfie's doing. Yeah? Come. Let's go see what Elfie's doing. Ready? Yeah, let's go see what Elfie's doing. All right, let's go check what Elfie's doing. Or what Elfie did today. The lights are off. Yeah, let's see what Elfie's doing. Elfie's been parked there for a bit. Let's see what Elfie's over here at the lamp. Oh, there's a note. Elfie has a note.
Where?
You guys can you guys see him? There's a note. Can you guys see what it says? What does it say? Elfie says, let's go see the lights. Elfie. Zane, you want to go see the lights? Do you want to go see the lights? Yeah? Is that a yes or a no? We're going to see the lights, y'all. Elfie said it, so we have to do it. Ready? Are you ready? No? Let's go. We're going to see the lights. Let's go get your jacket and your hat. And me put on my sweater. Let's go. Elfie said it, so we got to do it. They do. Okay guys, so we made it. We always come to this one house where he puts out his decorations like right after Thanksgiving, and I always take the kids. He always goes all out. Isn't it pretty? And little guy is enjoying himself, but oh my god, I was tired just to film that just now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. It's nothing much. I want to take them in town maybe tomorrow or Sunday. So yeah. Whew. I might just end the vlog right here because man, I'm tired. It's been a long day, and I think there's some other families here too. So